What's the most terrifying thing a human could have seen for the very first time? A dinosaur? Nope. A volcano. Imagine waking up, looking at the same mountain you've seen your entire life, and then it suddenly explodes. No warning, no science, no clue what's happening. If you were alive back then, you'd probably think the world was ending. Imagine you're living about 60,000 years ago. Life is simple. Wake up, hunt something, avoid becoming dinner yourself, and hopefully make it back to your cave before dark. You've seen rain, rivers, snow, maybe even lightning. Nature is scary, but at least it usually follows the rules. Mountains don't move. They're basically giant rocks that mind their own business, or at least, that's what everyone thought. One morning, your tribe notices something weird. The mountain in the distance has a strange cloud sitting on top of it. Not a normal cloud, it's darker, thicker, it doesn't move with the wind. It just hangs there. Nobody knows what it is, maybe it's fog, maybe the mountain forgot to shower. Either way, everyone ignores it because you've got bigger problems, like finding food before a saber-toothed cat finds you. Then the ground shakes, not a tiny vibration, your whole world starts wobbling. Trees shake, rocks fall, birds explode into the sky. Animals sprint in every direction without even looking where they're going. Imagine seeing mammoths panic. If the biggest thing you've ever seen decides to run, you run too, no questions asked. Bro, if a mammoth says, "We're leaving," you don't ask for the itinerary. Then comes the sound. A deep roar that doesn't sound like thunder. It sounds like the earth itself just cleared its throat. Louder, 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 everyone freezes. Nobody has words for this. You've never heard a mountain make noise before. Mountains are supposed to just exist. Now this one sounds like it's about to wake up and file a complaint. And then it happens, the top of the mountain literally explodes. A giant column of ash shoots into the sky. Red-hot rocks come flying out like nature just unlocked creative mode. Imagine watching glowing boulders flying through the air. At that point you're not thinking, wow, geology. You're thinking the mountain is throwing hands. Now imagine the confusion. Fire usually stays on the ground. Suddenly the sky has fire too. Ash starts falling everywhere. It looks like black snow, except this snow burns your eyes, fills your lungs, and tastes like disappointment. You wipe your face, only for more ash to fall. The sun slowly disappears even though it's still daytime. Congratulations, the mountain just turned the brightness slider to 0. Here's the terrifying part. Nobody knows if it's ever going to stop. Today we'd check the news. Scientists would say it's a volcanic eruption. Back then, the only explanation is probably the angry mountain spirit has officially lost it. Honestly, that's a fair guess. Then lava appears. Imagine seeing glowing orange rock flowing like water. Water is supposed to be wet, rocks are supposed to be solid. Nature just broke its own rules in front of your eyes. Your brain probably crashes like an old Windows computer. Error 404, reality not found. And lava doesn't move fast most of the time, which somehow makes it even scarier. It's slow, unstoppable, and doesn't care about your schedule. You're standing there thinking maybe it'll stop. Meanwhile, your tribe is grabbing literally everything they own, which isn't much. A spear, some animal skins, maybe your favorite rock if you're emotionally attached to it. Then there's always that one guy. Every tribe has him. Everyone else is running away while this absolute genius walks closer. Guys, I just want to get a better look. Bro, the mountain is literally bleeding lava. Curiosity can wait. Darwin hasn't even been born yet, and you're already testing his future theory. Hours later, maybe days, the eruption finally calms down, the roaring stops, the ash settles. When people return, the place looks completely different. Forests are gone, rivers changed direction, giant rocks appeared where there weren't any before. It's like somebody loaded an entirely new map overnight. But then something unexpected happens. Over time, plants begin growing again. The soil near old volcanoes becomes incredibly fertile because volcanic ash is packed with minerals. Thousands of years later, some of the richest farmland on Earth would exist because of ancient eruptions. So the same mountain that looked like it wanted to delete humanity was secretly helping future civilizations grow food. Modern scientists estimate that some volcanic eruptions release energy equal to thousands of nuclear bombs. Thankfully, humans eventually learned what volcanoes are, how they work, and how to monitor many of them. But imagine being the very first person to witness one. No science, no warning. Just a perfectly normal mountain deciding today's the day it becomes the final boss. So next time you see a volcano in a documentary or a movie, remember, your ancestors didn't get to watch it safely from a couch. They watched an entire mountain explode in real life, survive somehow, and still manage to keep humanity going. Honestly, that's one of the craziest first impressions in human history. Guys, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and do subscribe for more related content. Thanks for watching.